ha. Huwag po kayong mahiya makiawit, guys. Ayan, Rayna, ano kakatayo mo? Bakit natin si Rayna? Ayan sila, boss. Yung mga nandun sa dulo, guys. Awit na kayo sa mga boss. Welcome po, our newcomers. Nag-iisa. Sila, boss. Thank you for the loving compliment po. O, sige.
Go!
Ayan, there is some by ages daw. Ayun ulit. Sige. Ayan, isa lang there's some by ages, guys.
Isang album ng Asian.
Isang album ba ng ages?
Yung Wednesday o yung performer?
Performer.
Tama!
Kinanta mo ulit. Sige lang. Ano po yun? Ah, sige po.
Kala ko ikaw ay
Totoo sa akin pag-umibig, ngunit na ikaw ay yakapin. Nagkala ko sa dalis, ninais ko papalapit sa'yo. Ninais ko malaman mo ang mga paghihirap ko. Baliwala lang sa'yo. Tulad ko'y ginawa ng lahat ng paraan upang mahiwalay sa aking natutunan. Subalit iniwan ko, ibinigay na karangyaan. Kung ano ang dahilan, at lamang
Let's go!
ay nagtatanong sa aming bayan, sa gitna ng kanluran na aking pinagmulan. Sila'y nalilito pagtawag ko na kaganito. Kung ano ang dahilan, ikaw lang ang Thank you, madam. Uy, thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Ayan. At syempre guys, ayan, sige. Ayan, sa mga gusto mo rin makiawit at mag-request, ever send request ng tissue paper po. Basta po, alam namin, ayan, kakali namin para sa inyo guys.
Mama!
Sige. Para sa mga tissues naman. Ikaw ang aking mahal, mahal na mahal ko tunay. Hanapin ko kahit nasaan pakinig. Hanapin ko kahit saan ka man. Come on! Para sa'yo, hanapin ko, ikaw na pag-ibig ko. Tanging kailangan ko sa muna. Hanapin ko kahit saan ka man. Come on, guys, Reggie. Tumumba, tumayo, kumulong dahil sa'yo. Tumawa, lumuha, nabaliw dahil sa'yo. Kinuha, ang wala, nagapa dahil sa'yo. Sumunod, humurong, lumiba dahil sa'yo. Mahal ko. Hanapin ko kahit saan ka man. Ano sa may 80s, guys? Sinimulan mo mag-80s, ha? At syempre, guys, ayun yung mga sa dulo. Yan, awit-awit lang po kayo habang may oras pa kami. May nandito ako, nakaharap sa'yo. Totoo, dahil lang sa'yo ang pag-ibig. Hanapin ko kahit saan ka man. Tumumba, tumayo, tumulong dahil sa'yo. Tumawa, lumuha, nabaliw dahil sa'yo. Kinuha, ang wala, nanapa dahil sa'yo. Sumulong, humurong, lumipa dahil sa'yo. Mahal ko. Hanapin ko kahit saan ka man. Nagtouch mo pa dahil sa'yo, gano'n? Ano? O hindi, wala nga ano, hindi. Nakapatay nga yung mic labos. May hahanapin ko. Oo, may hahanapin ko. Kanta ka dali, anong kakantayin mo?
Usok daw.
Usok. Ayan.
Request ni Madam.
Usok, sige.
May pagmasyon.
Usok. Para sa mga mahilig sa usok. Ito ba? Sige.
Para sa mga may humihit ng usok. Charing. Bossing, kanta ko kayo ha.
Isip mo'y unti-unting nawawala. Nalilito ang tulad mo'y parang uso. Unti-unting naglalaho. Nangihiling ko lang sa'yo. Nakaraan ay tanggapin at sa ngayon ay harapin. Ang bukas mo'y darating pa. Kaya huwag sana ang damdamin. Pagkat ito'y may lamang mula sa akin. Kaibigan na sa'yo'y nagmamahal. Huwag mong sayangin ang panahon. Pagkat ito'y may hangganan. Buksan mo ang pintuan kasama ng iyong puso. Dinangay na ng hangin ang masamang panaginip. Kaya bigyan mo ng buwang ang puso mong nalulumbay.
Wala na yung tubig.
Kaya huwag sana ang damdamin. Pagkat ito'y may lamang mula sa akin. Kaibigan na sa'yo'y nagmamahal. Huwag mong sayangin ang panahon. Pagkat ito'y may hangganan. Buksan mo ang pintuan kasama ng iyong puso. Dinamay na ng hangin ang masamang panaginip. Kaya't bigyan mo ng tuwang ang puso mong nalulumbay. Isip mo'y unti-unting nawawala. Nalilito ang tulad mo'y parang iso. Unti-unting naglalaho. Alright, and thank you so much for request. Grabe yung mga request natin, no? Alright, syempre, this is another song, guys. Uy, ano yan? Ba't ganyan? Ba't naging pusong bato na ngayon? Sige, okay, this is another song by Bonnie Taylor, guys. Ayan, reggae muna tayo, guys. Yan, para sa mga mahilig sa reggae. Hey! Come on, let's talk about the Taylor, guys. It's so hard, not to put on all day. It's when it's too late. It's when it's when time. It's a fool. Nothing but a fool's starting in the cold, feeling like it it's so hard. Nothing but a hard day. He never runs to love to share. When you part, he doesn't care for you. He never runs to need someone as much as I depend it on you. Oh, he's all day. Come on, guys. Not tomorrow, holiday. He's the one who's today. He's when you're time. He's a bouquet. Not tomorrow, who's pain? Standing in the pouring, you know, feeling like it. That's why he's the hardest or reggae version, guys. He never runs to love to share. When you point, he doesn't care for you. Kaya ba yung gumagana ka? He never runs to need someone, ayan, as much as I depend it on you. Oh, he's so hard. Nothing but a holiday. He's the one who's too late. He's too late the time. He's a bouquet. Nothing but a who's game. Standing in the pouring, feeling like it now. He's so honest. Standing like it down. He's so boosted. Standing in the pouring, feeling like it Alright, ayan, talaga may isa kayo. Siyempre, this another song. Ayan, naman nag-antay tayo ng mga request at jammer bago kami mag-hour last 2 song marami. Haba pa naman ang oras, guys. Pwede pa kayo makiawin at mag-request po. Ayan, sa mga gustong kumanta. Ayan, para sa mga mahilig magselos. Selosa ka ba, Raina? Selosa ka? Hindi. Uy, uy, anong sayo yan? Saan mo natutunan yan? Marunong ka na mag-twerk ka. Nagkikita ko ng magkasama na kayo. Naiinis ako, nasisira ang araw ko. At di ko alam bakit ba nagkakaganto. Sa di masasaktan kahit di naman tayo. Ang puso ko'y naturugo at parang sumisigip ang dibdib ko. Sa tuwing nakikita ko na magkatabi tayo. Kahit di naman tayong dalawa, may lagi na lang pinagsaselosan siya. Bakit ba siya at bakit di na lang ako? Uy, ganito mayaw ni Raina.
Zumba sa madaling araw.
Galing mo mag-zumba. Galing, no? Sa'yo napansin ang aking nadarama sa'yo. Sa'yo. Hindi lang ko sa aking pamagay na lang tayo. Tayo. At di ko alam bakit Oo, isa pa.
Hanggang wala bang kakanta?
Oo, wala pa yan. Mamaya pa yan sila.
Boss, baka may
Yan, yan.
request
Oo, request po kayo. Baka may kumakanta po sa inyo mga boss. Kanta po kayo. Oo, sino po? Sino po kanta sa inyo? Nagtuturo-turuan sila kung sino kakanta. Bigla, boss, kan baka may gusto kang mag-request ha? Hey! Hey! Come on, guys! Lemos in the battle, in the market, holding in the fear in the bed. Lemos in the battle, and I come face the even and she take me back. Come on, guys! Oh, daddy, oh, dada, that's the song. You know, come on. Oh, daddy, oh, dada, that's the song. Goes on. They must tell the truth because you are strong. By your tripping color, golden ring. Take it as the money, like a Johnny in the giving to sing, you'll be the best. Oh, daddy, oh, dada, that's the song. Goes on. Oh, daddy, oh, dada, that's the song. Goes on. Because of this, I belong sweet home. Because of this, I beyond, and there was morning glow. I'll be ever up in the market. They will let us you don't need the band. Oh, let's see the moment that's a pretty face to live it in and see you be the band. Oh, daddy, oh, dada, that goes on. Goes on. Oh, daddy, oh, dada, that goes on. Goes on. The competition is the only sweet home. You know, the competition is the and there was morning dawn. I'll be ever under in the marketplace. They ever say that you will be the best. They ever say that all my lives are pretty. Place to live in and see you be the best. Oh, daddy, oh, dada, that goes on. Goes on. Oh, daddy, oh, dada, that goes on. Goes on. Daddy, oh, dada, that goes on. Goes on. Oh, daddy, oh, dada, that goes on. Goes on. You know what's so bad? Say, oh, daddy, dada. Alright, na syempre guys, maraming salamat po. Yeah, for staying with us that here yan. Tanghalan KTV Bar guys. Ano yun? Ay, gala ko, ayun na yun. Alright, syempre this is another song by Tam-Tam. So sige, pindutin mo na yan.
Go.
Kailangan sumasayaw ka dyan, may Tam-Tam. Alam mo ba sumayaw si Tam-Tam? Siyempre magaling sumayaw yun eh. Sumikempot yun eh. Ayun, galing na. Boso? Boso, tingnan mo si Ryan oh. Ayun, galing sumayaw ah. Madam mo, galing sumayaw oh. Oh, ayun, galing oh. Sa akin talaga sa first time. Huwag ka na nasawa mo. Ipinagpalit ka na. Iniwanan ka pa. Kaya ba naman? Ganun yun o. Ganun. Yan, lower. sumasayaw na sila. Tayo kayo.
Dito kayo.
Oo nga, pwede kayo sumayaw dito sa gitna, guys.
Oo. Ma,
Lagi ka na lang tulala. Umapatak ang iyong luha. Buhay ay ganyan talaga. Mabuti pang magmumong ka na. Masakit talaga sa first time. Pag-iwan ka ng asawa mo. Galing. Ipinagpalit ka na. Iniwanan ka pa. Masakit ang kaliyanan. Gumulong ka sika. Masakit ang kaliyanan. Gumulong ka sika. Masakit ang kaliyanan. Galing bumemutan. Grade 2. Sakit, 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 madali sa likha. Sakit, 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 madali sa likha. Masakit talaga sa first time. Pag-iwan ka ng asawa mo. Ipinagpalit ka na. Iniwanan ka ba ng masakit? Ayun no! May sinayawan na ni Raina. Ganun na din sa masakit ang kaliyanan. Huwag na dinitong bahay na masakit ang kaliyanan. E pagpuli sa sakit, 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 e madali sa likha. Sakit, 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 e madali sa likha. Alright, ayan. Thank you so much. Siyempre, these are our last two songs, guys. Kaya maraming salamat po for staying with us and here at Tangalan KTV Bar. At siyempre, ayan, meron tayong mga iba-ibang performer dito. Every Monday hanggang Sunday, may mga performer po tayo. Siyempre, ang ating start ng pagbalik natin is Saturday na po. Ayan, sa mga gusto pong bumalik, yan, Saturday ang ating open na ulit. Siyempre, tomorrow at Friday po, wala po tayo niyan, guys. Sige, and siyempre, this is another last two song, guys. Kaya maraming salamat po. Ayan, for the loving compliments sa mga binigay nyo sa amin. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyo, guys. That is our last two song, guys.
yeah.
Lagyan ng
That is another song, guys.
Batik na siya yan. Friday.
Seems like everybody got a punch. Oh, I was sleep at night. With a sitcom cross and a truth come second just stop for a minute there. Smile, why is everybody so serious? I'm so mysterious. But the chicks turn her eyes and they heal so nice. Thinking, giving ever a time. Everybody look to the left. Everybody look to the right. Can you feel that? Yeah, we'll be one love tonight. It's not about money, money, money. We to money, money, money. Just wanna make a ways. Forget about the price tag. In the mother, oh, change in the mother, yeah. But they wanna make a ways. Forget about the price tag. We can take it back in time. We can mess with us all tonight. In a waste of lost and a video on and only the one can try. Why is everybody so happiness? Money can buy us happiness. We need to money, money, money. Just wanna make money. Forget about the price tag. Forget about the change, ain't about the hey. Nobody wanna make money. Forget about the price tag. Price tag, it's a big cash bag. Hit the big stream, hit the hashtag. We get the cost in the river rush. And all that, it's all I need in the kidney sauce. And again, who wants a second and a living in Mars? He'll live in the cross, and I'm a billion on us. And let's ask in a man, you can put ways a lot. We do some their lives, so we fight on the face after night. So if you finish up in our mama, who we think you'll see, finish something in the papa. So we can get a kick. Every movie in the fits of a beat, made up everybody say, it's all about money, money, money. We need to money, money, money. Just wanna make money. Forget about the price tag. Ain't about the change, ain't about the but they wanna make money. Forget about the price tag. It's not about the money, money, money. We need to money, money, money. Just wanna make money. Forget about the price tag. Ain't about the change, ain't about the but they wanna make money. Forget about the price tag. Yeah. Whoa. Forget about the price tag. Yeah. Whoa. Forget about the price tag. Yeah. We'll take it up tonight. Alright, thank you so much, syempre. This is our last song. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Very excited with us again kay katangalan kay TV Bar, guys. And I say, hey, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? Alright, let's go. Let's go. And I try. Oh my God, I try. I try all the time. With the institution. And I pray. Oh my God, and I pray. I pray I sing the day for a revolution. And so I wish something out, we don't lie, we made it just, we don't care what's in my head. And I feel it, to your. It's gonna wake in the morning and I step outside and I think of it and I real high and I ask you what's going on. And I say, hey, yeah, hey, yeah. I said, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Thank you so much po mga boss. Maraming salamat po. Ingat po kayo boss. Ingat po. See you next week. Kaya sana po magkita-kita pa rin tayo guys. See you next week mga boss. Thank you so much and God bless everyone.
O niño llegó, porra! Caras populas, o niño já chegou agora, festa no Brasil. Cadê as formosuras?